In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to repair Google Chrome. If Chrome has been crashing, running slowly, or pages aren't loading correctly, this quick repair routine will usually get things back on track. We'll update Chrome, clear out old data, and restore its settings to default, all using built-in options. Start by opening Chrome. Look to the top right corner of the window and click the three dots to open the main menu. From that menu, choose Settings. This takes you to Chrome's control center, where we'll make all the changes we need. In Settings, go to the About Chrome section. Chrome will automatically check for updates here. If an update is available, click Update and let it download. You may be prompted to relaunch. Go ahead and do that so the new version is fully applied. Running the latest version fixes many bugs and security issues, so this is a key part of the repair. Next, still in Settings, open Privacy and Security. Choose Clear Browsing Data. In the dialog that appears, you can pick a time range. Selecting all time gives the most thorough refresh. Make sure Cached Images and Files is selected, since a corrupted cache is a common cause of glitches. You can also select cookies and other site data and browsing history for a deeper clean. Keep in mind that clearing cookies may sign you out of websites, so be ready to log back in later. When you're set, click Clear Data and wait for the process to finish. Now we'll reset Chrome settings. In the Settings sidebar, find and open Reset Settings. Click Restore Settings to their original defaults. A confirmation box will explain what this does. It resets the startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pinned tabs. It also disables extensions temporarily and clears temporary data like cookies. Your bookmarks, history, and saved passwords are not deleted. If that sounds good, click Reset Settings to confirm. This step is particularly effective if an extension or a misconfiguration is causing trouble. Once Chrome finishes resetting, it will feel like a fresh install while keeping your personal data intact. At this point, close and reopen Chrome if it doesn't automatically relaunch. Try visiting a few sites to confirm everything loads quickly and behaves normally. If you use extensions, you can re-enable them later from the extensions page, ideally turning them on one at a time to spot any that might reintroduce issues. And that's it. By updating Chrome, clearing out old browsing data, and restoring default settings, you've performed a comprehensive repair that resolves most common problems. Thanks for watching, and I hope your browser is running smoothly again.